Welcome everybody, thank you for joining me for another 10-minute cardio. No equipment is required, just a towel and some water, and that's all you need. Here we go, we're just gonna warm it on up. We're going right into some high knees. Move those arms for me, just to get that blood flowing, get that heart rate going. This is a 10-minute cardio, it's gonna be short, it's gonna be fast, but you're gonna push yourself through the whole time. Alright, so set your goal. Goal for this workout is to finish without any breaks or as little breaks as possible. Again, this is you working for yourselves, working for that goal, for that New Year's resolution, whatever it is, that fitness, health goal, whatever it is that's getting you motivated to work out right now with me. Okay, so breathe in and out, nice and easy. Control the breath throughout this whole workout. Any of the exertion of the exercise, the hard part, you're exhaling that breath, inhaling on the opposite. Picking those knees up, swinging those arms, picking that speed up. Great job. Again, it's always about just doing what you can. If you need to modify any of the moves, you're very welcome to do so. As long as you're here, doing something similar to what I'm doing, that's okay. Alright, nice and easy. Going side to side squats, so you're going to step it to the side and side. Okay, just a small step over. Again, make sure those feet are shoulder width apart. Heels are down, heels are flat. Feet are flat against the ground. Reaching that bottom back. Aiming with that butt for that imaginary chair. Keeping that chest right up and proud. Back is nice and tall. Exhale that breath as you come on up. You can always pick up the speed of any of the moves that I do in this workout. Again, your fitness level is different than my fitness level. You may be stronger so that you can go faster. That's okay with me. As long as you're working yourselves here. Challenging you physically and mentally. Great job. Good. We are doing 2 sets of each exercise. No breaks. Okay, so we got 4 moves. Alright, bring it on up. We're going right into some mummy kicks. Hands out right in front of the shoulders. It up. You can be low impact too, just kick it right here nice and easy. We're adding a little more speed to it. Bouncing on those toes. Heels are off. Keep those hands up. Again, hands are right in front of the shoulders here. Nice and leveled. Working shoulders, working cardio, breathing. How it's going. Burning those calories. Building up that strength. Whatever it is that your intention is for this workout, keep it on your mind. That's going to help you get through it. But it's always about progress as well. So if you can't last this whole workout without a break, try this workout again next time and see if you can. Again, we want as little breaks as possible through this workout. Set number 2, side squats again. Can you reach that butt a little bit further back, a little bit lower? Bend those knees a little bit more. Make sure those knees are bending forward. Keeping that chest tall, back tall, chest up. Head nice and leveled. Good, can you pick it up? A little bit faster for me. Get a little lower. You're doing awesome. You know you got this. Right here with you. Challenge yourselves. Challenge that body, challenge the mind, setting that goal, okay? Reaching that goal. Great job. Keep going. Feet flat. Exhale the breath as you come on up. Great job, everybody. Mummy kick, second set coming right up. Then we're going to switch up the moves. Right here, mummy kicks, last ones. Can you go a little bit faster than that first interval? Keep those hands. We're keeping these hands small. Alright, the distance between the hands is little. We're not going all the way out like here. We're keeping it tight, keeping it strong, keeping that core engaged. Get low impact right here if you need it. Just kick out those feet. But those arms are moving. Keep breathing, 30 seconds left. You got this. New moves coming up next. Starting with those skiers. Good. Breathe, work. Challenge yourselves. That's all I ask. Again, it's always about you. You're doing what you can. You motivate yourselves. Find that determination. It's gonna drive you through to that goal. Good. Skiers right here. Swing those arms side to side. You can add a little hop if you want. Side to side, a little extra challenge. Or just step it over. Bend those knees. Swing those arms nice and high. Working those shoulders. The faster you go, the more you're working. Okay, and you're always welcome to go faster. You're always welcome to add in that little hop side to side. Good. Great job. Keep going. Swing those arms, but in control. Alright, don't swing those arms too much that you might throw your shoulder out or cause any injuries. Nice and controlled. Okay? Good. Exhale that breath as you swing those arms up. As you're coming up from that squat position. Next move, we got that shining star. Good job. Shining star right here. Keep your feet together. Nice and easy. We're stepping out. Hand out. Push. Imagine you're in a little box and you're surprising someone. You're jumping out. You're breaking through that box. Good. Side to side. Reach those arms out. Press those arms all the way out. Kick that leg all the way out. Bend those knees. Squatting low in that box. And you explode on out. Surprise. You got this. How are we doing? Are we breathing? Sweating? Nice job. Again, this is 10 minutes. We're already halfway through that workout. More than halfway through. Keep going. Stay strong. Go a little bit faster if you want. Shrink down a little bit lower. Get a little bit higher. Exhale. As you come on out. Good. Skiers, here we go. Side to side. Bend those knees. Awesome work. Feel the burn. Breathing. Sweat's dripping. Heart rate's going. You got this. Good, just side to side. Skiers. Swing those arms. Going down that hill. Feel the wind right there in your hair. Excellent job. Don't forget to bend those knees nice and low. Last few here. Can we go a little bit faster? Can we add in that hop maybe? Good. Great job, everybody. Almost there. Shining star. Last set of those coming up. Then we go back to our finisher. Back into those high knees. Good. Shining star. Shrink down nice and low. Breakthrough. Shine like that star you are. You got this. Hands out, leg out. Exhale the breath. Inhale as you shrink down. Exhale as you come out. Good. Great job. 30 seconds left. Nice work, everybody. Great job. Keep going. Push through. Almost there. Final round coming up next. Final minute. Right back into those high knees. Right where we started. Alright, high knees. Last one. Pick it up. Finish line is right there. Race to it. If you have a lot of energy left still, this is your time to shine. Push to it. Okay, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. It's that final minute. Final countdown. You gotta race to it. Get those knees up nice and high. Yeah. Great job. 30 seconds left, okay? Just 30 seconds. Nice work. Low impact is right here. If you're getting too tired, you can mark it out right here. Nice and easy. No worries. Or you're staying with those high knees. Finishing strong, pushing that body all the way to the end. Good job, good job. Almost there. And relax. Alright, shake out those arms, shake out those legs. Grab some water, wipe some sweat. Good job. Whew, how we do? Did we last the full 10 minutes without that break? Again, if you didn't, try this workout again in a few days and see if you can. That's how you're going to track your progress through whatever journey you're on right here. Reaching that goal, you're on that path to that goal. Alright, nice good shoulder roll. Reverse, shoulders forward. Arms out. Catch the breath. Nice easy breathe in here. Inhale, exhale. Arm circles. Reverse, palms facing up. Reverse the circles backwards. Arms out to the side, open the chest. Alternate which arm goes on top, nice and easy. Alright, go ahead, hold that balance. Right foot's coming up, right quad stretch. Control the breath, you're just pulling it down now, okay? Stretching is very important. If you need a little bit more, check out my stretch and recovery videos. Switch sides. But if you have more in you, go ahead and check out the rest of my videos. Plenty of cardio workouts for you if you're right into that cardio day workout. Switch sides, pull that right knee in. Hold the balance or hold an object, hold the wall, whatever you need to do. Back is nice and tall, you're pulling that knee up towards the chest. Switch sides. Excellent work today. Again, don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video. Let me know in the comments below how you felt about this workout. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the workouts. Alright, inhale. Bend the knees. Come down, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Reach it up nice and high. Chin down. Chin up. Facing forward. Bring those hands right down. Give yourselves a hand. Great job today, everybody. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It shows me so much appreciation on YouTube. Alright, until next time, stay fit, stay flex, and I'll see you in the next workout.